Introducing the Ninja Espresso and Coffee Barista system. This unique coffee maker is compatible with single-serve espresso capsules and grounds, so you can brew a variety of different drinks that satisfy your household. The machine is equipped with all the necessary parts so you can start brewing right away. Included with your unit, you will find the 60-ounce removable reservoir, which makes refilling mess-free, a coffee brew basket that is removable for easy cleaning, a paper filter kit to get you started brewing grounds, the Ninja Smart Scoop to easily measure coffee grounds, a 12-cup carafe which is perfect for brewing large batches of hot or iced coffee, a removable fold-away frother that's also dishwasher safe, and the adjustable cup tray so you can remove it to brew directly into an 8-inch travel mug. The Ninja Espresso and Coffee Barista system comes with several amazing features to make brewing at home more convenient and delicious. On one side of the machine, you'll see a carafe. This side is where you'll brew your grounds. On the opposite side of the machine is where you'll brew your espresso capsules. The machine is capable of brewing 3 different coffee styles: classic, rich, or over ice in 9 sizes from cup to travel mug to full carafe. The delay brew function allows you to plan your brew up to 24 hours in advance. This function is perfect if you're an early riser and like to prep your morning coffee ahead of time. The keep warm function keeps your carafe of coffee hot for up to 4 hours, so you can enjoy a hot cup of coffee 4 hours. The mid-brew pause feature allows you to sneak a cup before the whole pot is brewed. On the espresso side of the machine, you'll find 3 brew styles: espresso, lungo, and over ice. The clean button runs a descale cycle to clean your unit. Just fill the reservoir with 16 ounces of white vinegar and the rest with water. Press either the grounds button or espresso button to enter the mode that you would like to clean. Then press the clean button. Then start brew to begin the clean cycle. All the removable parts of the machine are dishwasher safe. Depending on which side you're cleaning, the clean cycle can take up to 120 minutes to ensure optimal descaling of your unit. If you're looking for more info, visit ninjakitchen.com.